Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good morning. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my full name is Steve Hoong. Okay. By the way, habang binabagyo kami dito sa Dumaguete, itong bagyong Tino, T-I-N-O, sa Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental, meron akong ipopost na video. Actually, itong video na sasabihin ko is yung ginawa ko necrological video, naging batas na. Kasi may issue dito yung tinatawag na, hindi to hate speech. Ito yung tinatawag na Anti-Online Hate and Harassment Bill. Ito yung ginawang author na Philippine Senator J.B. Ejercito. Ito yung tinatawag na Eman Atienza Bill. By the way, ang title ng video na ito is Eman Atienza Bill is now viral in social media. By the way, this video, you can share it all over Philippines. Ito ay tamang-tama itong batas na to. Pag ito naging Republic Act, wow. Pati ang online lending app victims, OLA victims, ay, sakpul diyan dito. I'm gonna tell you, my fellow OLA victims. By the way, this is known as Anti-Online Hate and Harassment Bill, Senate Bill number 1474. Pinakita ito kay yung parents niya, si Kim Atienza at saka si Felicia Hung Atienza. Actually, itong batas na to ay J.B. Ejercito files a bill to fight online hate, protect youth sa mga kabataan. Kasi ito ang sabi niya, while social media serves as a platform to advocate for truth, it has also given room for ruling reputations, spreading fake news, rumors, false accusations, and violence. So, ang mga OLA victims, part yan sa OLA harassment. Pasok na pasok siya dito. And meron pa siya sinabi, in reality, there are no delete or edit buttons for the ones who once we have heard. Kung sino yung nasaktan, katulad ko, OLA victim, ako nakatikim, na-post ako social media sa barangay namin. Dahil na overdue lang ako ng ilang araw, post ka agad. Wala naman sa terms and conditions. So, yun. By the way, ang multa, ito ang penalty ay nagsisimula sa 50,000, 50,000 pesos hanggang 200,000 kung grabe-grabe na talaga. Ito ay final November 3, 2025. So this Senate bill is a measure that seeks to address cyberbullying, fake news, and online defamation in the country against vulnerable youth. Pwede din siya as a cyberbullying law sa Philippines. Considered siya as cyberbullying law of the Philippines. So I hope that this video is talagang viral ito. I'm gonna tell you. Kahit ilang minutes lang ito. Hindi to kaya ng 1 minute, my fellow viewers. Please share this video. And this is not hope. This is a reality. Kahit bill pa yan, Senate bill pa lang yan, pero pag yan na Republic Act, wow. Whole Philippines. Lalo na OLA victims, 10 million victims all over Philippines. Baka tataas pa yan ang figure. I'm gonna tell you. Then sa mga kabataan, yung binubuli kayo sa like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, at kung ano pang social media. Pag ito naging batas, ang laki na multa, grabe. I'm gonna tell you, fellow viewers. This is a serious law. Anyway, kahit bill pa siya, pero it can be a law sa Philippines. Thank you so much.